Hello friends. Welcome back to our channel where we simplify tough company law concepts for exam success. In today's video, we are going to learn how to easily crack case-based questions on the topic of small company under Section 285 of the Companies Act 2013. Let's dive in. The questions are: So, how do you instantly know it's a small company question in your exam? Just look out for these three signs in the question. A private company is mentioned. Paid-up capital and turnover values are given. The question asks, can this company avail small company status? Once you spot these clues, immediately think of Section 285. According to Section 285 of the Companies Act 2013, a small company is a company, other than a public company, which satisfies both of the following conditions. Paid-up share capital does not exceed 4 crore rupees. Turnover does not exceed 40 crore rupees in the previous financial year. But wait. The Act also says that some companies are always excluded, even if they meet the capital and turnover limits. These are a holding company or a subsidiary company, a company registered under Section 8, a company governed by any special act. This is very important for solving case-based questions correctly. Here's a simple checklist you can use in every question. Conditions. Is it a private company? Is paid-up capital less than or equal to 4 crore rupees? Is turnover less than or equal to 40 crore rupees? Is it not a holding subsidiary Section 8? If all conditions are yes, it's a small company. If even one is not okay, it's not a small company. Let's applying to question 1. MNP Pvt Limited. Is it a private company? Yes, it is private company. Is paid-up capital less than or equal to 4 crore rupees? Yes, paid-up capital is 2 crore rupees. Is turnover less than or equal to 40 crore rupees? No, turnover is 60 crore rupees. It exceeds 40 crore rupees. Is it not a holding subsidiary Section 8? It is not. Turnover exceeds 40 crore rupees. All four conditions are not satisfied. So, it is not a small company. Now what if the turnover was only 30 crore rupees? Then all conditions are satisfied. Let's applying to question 2. Laxman Pvt Limited. Is it a private company? Yes, it is. Is paid-up capital less than or equal to 4 crore rupees? Yes, paid-up capital is 80 lakh rupees. Is turnover less than or equal to 40 crore rupees? Yes, turnover is 1.80 crore rupees. Is it not a holding subsidiary Section 8? But here's the catch. Laxman Pvt Limited is a subsidiary of Ram Pvt Limited. And according to the law, a subsidiary company cannot be classified as a small company. So the company secretary is correct. It's not a small company. Let's applying to question 3. New Pvt Limited. Is it a private company? Yes, it is private company. Is paid-up capital less than or equal to 4 crore rupees? Yes. Paid-up capital is 70 lakh rupees. Is turnover less than or equal to 40 crore rupees? Yes. Turnover is 30 crore rupees. Is it not a holding subsidiary Section 8? It is not a holding subsidiary company. All conditions are met. So it is a small company. What if the turnover was 15 crore rupees? Still qualifies, because it's below 40 crore rupees. Common structure for writing the answer. Answer template you can use in exams. Use this simple three-part structure for writing answers in exams. 1. Introduction, legal provision. Start by quoting or summarizing Section 285 of the Companies Act, 2013. According to Section 285 of the Companies Act, 2013, a small company means a company other than a public company. I, with paid-up share capital not exceeding 4 crore rupees, and 2. Turnover not exceeding 40 crore rupees as per the profit and loss account of the immediately preceding financial year. Also mention the proviso. However, the following are excluded from this definition. A. A holding or subsidiary company. B. A company registered under Section 8. C. A company governed by any special act. 2. Application to the given case. Apply the legal provision to the facts given in the question. Mention the paid-up capital and whether it is within the limit of 4 crore rupees. Mention the turnover and whether it is within 40 crore rupees. Check whether the company is a holding subsidiary company or not. 3. Conclusion. Sum it up. Is it a small company or not? For example, question 1. Application to the given case. In the present case, the company is a private limited company with a paid-up capital of 2 crore rupees and turnover of 60 crore rupees. Although the paid-up capital is within limits, the turnover exceeds 40 crore rupees. Hence, the company cannot be considered a small company. Therefore, based on the above analysis, MNP Pvt Limited is not eligible to be classified as a small company under Section 285 of the Companies Act, 2013. Always apply all 4 conditions before deciding. Don't forget to exclude holding, subsidiary, or Section 8 companies. This structure works for all similar questions. Just plug in the numbers. That's it for today's video. I hope you now feel confident in answering any small company case question in your exam. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more such clear explanations. Drop your questions in the comments, and until next time, study smart and stay confident.